Let me start with something people don't say enough. Your skin is not supposed to look perfect. We live in a world where everyone is smoothing, blurring, whitening, sharpening, and we have forgotten what real skin even looks like. Acne, pigmentation, scars, texture, dark circle. You all have them. Even models, even influencers, even me. I have had days where I did not want to film. I have had nights where I stared at the mirror and thinking, bro, why is my skin doing this to me? Sometimes I blame myself like I wasn't doing enough. But I realized something with time. My skin isn't my enemy. It's actually trying to protect me, heal me, signal me. Once I stopped hating it and started understanding, everything changed. I want to be real with you. There was a time I thought buying more products would actually fix me. I have those cute aesthetic bottles lined up like trophies, serums that cost more than my electricity bill. Acids I did not even know how to use, Korean step 1 to 10, Western steps 1 to 20. Still my skin was irritated. One time I literally burned my skin with a DIY lemon and some ingredients because some influencer said it worked. Bro, that day I knew I messed up. My skin was red, irritated and angry at me. And honestly, I was angry at myself. I was doing too much. Over exfoliating, mixing random actives, using 5 serums back to back, changing routine every week. I was expecting first result when skincare doesn't work like that. Skincare is the gym. You won't get abs in 3 days. You won't get glowing skin in 3 days. You need consistency, you need patience, and you need to stop treating your face like a science experiment. Fun cleansing. Alright, let's build your routine from scratch. Skin goes through wow. Everyday pollution, dust, sweat, sunscreen, makeup, oil. If you don't clean it properly, your pores get blocked and everything else becomes useless. But here's what people mess up. They either don't wash enough, or they wash too much. Simple rules. Oily skin gel or foam cleanser removes oil without destroying your barrier. Dry, sensitive skin, cream or lotion cleanser. Cleanse without stripping. Double cleanse at night, especially if you wear sunscreen or makeup. First cleanse, remove the surface level. Second cleanse, deep cleanse. And please stop using harsh soaps. Your skin barrier is not a kitchen utensil. Step 2, moisturizer. This might be the most misunderstood step ever. I have seen people with oily skin skip moisturizer because they think it will make them shiny. But oily skin is usually dehydrated skin. Overcompensating. If your skin is dry, irritated, tight, flaky, you are destroying your barrier and inviting acne and sensitivity. Choosing your moisturizer. Dry skin, thick creams, hyaluronic acid ceramides. Oily acne skin, lightweight gel, comedogenic. Combination, a light but hydrated formula. A good moisturizer does two things: hydrates, protects your barrier. If your barrier is damaged, nothing will work. Not vitamin C, not retinol, not niacinamide. You can spend $10,000 on products, but your skin still fight you. Step 3, sunscreen. Now listen carefully, because this step is the top tier god level. Most important thing. If you skip sunscreen, everything else becomes useless. It's like going to the gym and eating junk right after. You cancel the progress. Why sunscreen is the must: prevent premature wrinkles, prevents dark spots and hyperpigmentation, prevents staining and uneven skin tone, prevents skin cancer, keeps your skin firm and even. Even indoors, UV rays comes through. Even window, UV UV rays comes through. Even in winter, UV still hits the skin. Choose wisely. SPF 30 or higher. Broad spectrum. UVA plus UVB. Reapply every 2 hours if outdoors. Mineral sunscreen are good for sensitive skin. Chemical sunscreen are lighter and easier to blend. If you only start one habit after watching this video, start wearing sunscreen every day. Bonus step: treatments. Now let's talk about targeting your personal problem, but only after your basics are consistent. For acne, salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, T3 diluted. For dark spots, vitamin C, niacinamide, AHAS plus glycolic acid, lactic. For wrinkles and texture, retinoid. Start slow, twice a week. Important: do not use all of them at once. Do not mix random actives. Do not follow TikTok or Instagram trends blindly. Use one product at a time. Patch test. Build slowly. This is your face, not a battleground. Now I want to talk about something deeper. Good skin gives you confidence, not fake ego-driven confidence, but quite natural confidence. When your skin feels healthy, you carry yourself differently, you show up differently, you feel fresh, alive, present. Why skincare matter in looks maxing? Not because it makes you perfect, but because it makes you feel like the best version of yourself. And when you feel good, the world responds differently. Your energy changes, your body language changes, your self-image changes. This isn't vanity, this is self-respect. So here's what I want to take from this video. Stop doing too much, stop buying products without knowing your skin type. Stop expecting overnight miracles. Start with cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, then add treatment slowly. Be consistent, be patient, your skin will reward you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and follow, because I am breaking down more looks maxing topics in simple human language. Drop your biggest skin concern in the comments. I will make separate video for them step by step. Remember, your skin journey is personal. You don't need filters, you don't need perfection. You just need the right routine and the right mindset. Let's grow up together. Thanks for watching.